Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Today we're on Grady-White's 257. 257 has been a super popular boat because it's such a great value from Grady-White. This particular boat's powered with twin 150 4-stroke Yamahas. Great fuel efficient. Fish all day on this thing, go 20-30 miles offshore, come back, you burn 35-40 gallons of fuel. This is a great boat for hitting those spots 20-30 miles offshore. Nice big fish box. Foam insulated with about that much foam around the outside of that fish box, holds ice really well. Live well over on this side, freshwater shower also on the transom, fold out stern seat on here. One thing that I passed by over here, the first thing you notice when you step onto a Grady-White is how overbuilt they are. Huge hinges, huge thick fiberglass door, huge handle. Stuff that you see on a 50-foot sport fish, not on a little 25-foot center console. Moving forward, we've got a nice leaning post here, shotgun rocket holders, shotgun rod holders on the T-top too. This is the color of the outside of the hull right here. So the underside of this hardtop T-top is color matched, so that's what the outside of this boat is. Great place to put your life jackets up here. They're out of the way, but they're quick to get to. You've got a nice electronics box, or if you're not putting your VHF radio up here, look how that door stays open for you, nicely finished off. Good place to throw your hat, car keys, wallet, all that stuff out of the way. Nice big dash right here. Plenty of room for two multifunction displays if you want to put a couple of Garmin units on here. The ergonomics on this boat is fantastic. I'm using this like it's intended to be used as a leaning post. And look how everything just falls right in place. My hand falls right on the steering wheel, and my right hand goes right on the controls. Super comfortable to drive. If you want to get up on top of it, you've got a footrest down there that you can reach. You can adjust your steering wheel, and you still got a great, comfortable position to sit in. Looking at the side of the boat, look at the size of these bolsters here. When you come to the side here and you're fighting that fish, we don't have any little thin pads on here. These things are 3.5 inches, 4 inches thick on here, and they go from down there to above, up in my thigh area. So that's great for bottom fish and bring that big fish up to the side of the boat or reaching over to gaff one. Of course, you got high quality stainless steel rod holders. Your T-top on this, I love the way that Grady-White, they integrated into the console. So this pole's not sticking out here, taken away from your walk-around room on the 257. It's countersunk in here a little bit. That makes it great for moving forward on this boat. Let's keep moving forward. Another great design that I like from Grady-White on the 257 is these backrests for the bow seating area. Instead of having a lot of our competitors, you have to take these and go, if you're not using them, using them. When you're not using them, our competitors, you got to pull them out and you got to store them away somewhere. These, if you don't want them, you just lift them up and you tuck them out of the way. Great long bow seating area. So we've got the other one on this side here. Show you how that works. Super comfortable. Your handrail here fits right where it's supposed to be. You've got an anchor windlass on the front here. When you walk around the 257, look at the size of the anchoring hardware on this boat. That looks like stuff that you'd see on a 35, 40-foot boat, not on a 25-foot center console. That's what you won't believe about this boat is the price. It's such a good price for a 257, but you got to call me and find out what it is. For a twin-engine 25-foot center console, this boat is a great value. My name is Grant. I'm at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach.